tariffs. Everybody talking tariffs today. And China tariffs kicked in just yesterday. And we in SAF, of course, are exposed pretty much to US market. And we are doing what are our best plans to do in case America will impose tariffs also on European products. Nevertheless, we have a plan, we are prepared, and we have very great new Aranet products, and Toms Kalderovskis, our product design director, will introduce after me.
Hi, I'm Toms. Today I'm gonna tell you about new sensors, new products, and other exciting news. Let's start with the indoor air quality and HVAC application. For that, we have developed a 4 temperature probe sensor. This sensor is designed for heating and ventilation applications, especially where multi-point readings are required. Let's take a look at video.
This is Aranet 4 probe temperature sensor, designed for precise and simultaneous temperature measurements at up to 4 points. The sensor comes with 4 5-meter-long PT 1000 probes for temperature measurements in the range of -30 to 180 degrees Celsius. You can also use other 2-wire PT 1000 temperature probes for different temperature ranges and accuracy classes. The sensor operates wirelessly and is powered by 2 AA batteries, lasting up to 10 years. Apply this sensor in a building or greenhouse where multiple measurements are required in a single location, such as in heating, ventilation systems, and industrial or horticultural settings. It can be used for remote system monitoring or to read measurements directly from the display in the field. Ensure effectiveness and maintain optimal system performance. Like all Aranet Pro Series sensors, this sensor sends data to the Aranet base station and allows customized analysis via the Aranet Cloud to align with business needs.
For indoor air quality, we have developed radon sensor. Did you know that radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer, and it can accumulate in your homes, offices, and other indoor spaces? In this jar we have rocks releasing radon. It creates a small ecosystem similar to indoor space. See, the radon readings are high. Now let's watch a video on new Aranet radon sensor, and after that, Lasmi will tell you unique features of this product.
This is Aranet Radon Plus sensor, designed for quick and reliable radon detection in indoor spaces. Fast radon detection. Get your first reading in just 10 minutes with accurate results within the first hour. It is completely wireless and portable, powered by 2 AA batteries that last for several years. With the integrated e-ink display, you can use it as a standalone device without any apps or registration necessary. Easily configure settings like measurement units, intervals, and sound alarms with the convenient side button. You can view current radon levels or averages over 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days, and act when necessary with built-in alerts if radon levels rise. For a more comprehensive experience, use Aranet Cloud for data overview, analysis, and exporting reports on all your radon sensor measurements.
There are few technologies available for radon measurement. One of them is ionization chamber technology, used also by us, but with Aranet style, wireless and powered by batteries. In simple terms, ionization chamber measures radon by detecting ionized air molecules produced during radon decay. These ions within the chamber's electric field generate small current. And this current determines radon reading. This method provides fast readings. However, it requires a high voltage, which traditionally means that it must be plugged into a power grid. Nevertheless, our team has solved this challenge. We developed and patented a unique technology that allows ionization chamber run on batteries. all packed within this compact Radon Plus sensor. This sensor enables continuous radon monitoring, giving you the ability to get notified when radon levels reach unhealthy thresholds, so you can take an action, for example, adjust your ventilation system. Conduct detailed room monitoring, easily moving the sensor between the rooms and locations, and track long-term radon concentration for various time periods. The Radon Plus sensor is available in two versions: Radon Plus Home, featuring Bluetooth and compatibility with Home app for your personal use, and Radon Plus Pro for business, taking full advantage of Aranet IoT ecosystem. Thank you, and now you know.
Now, our monitoring solution is even more accessible remotely. We have made Aranet Device Management from our cloud free for all users. This new license complements existing Aranet Cloud Basic and Aranet Cloud Pro licenses. While the Basic and Pro license offers advanced features, such as data analytic tools, virtual sensors, and customizable dashboards, the Aranet Device Management license allows you to remotely pair and manage sensors, manage licenses, and upgrade base station firmware. This service is perfect for users who need centralized device control and monitoring. Recently, we have published a case study on how monitoring temperature and relative humidity can drive changes in habits and improve environment. Let's take a look at video from Riga's first hospital.
This is Riga First Hospital. The hospital provides reliable and safe medical services, prioritizing patient care and staff safety. The facility operates within renovated buildings, some nearly 100 years old, combining historical charm with modern healthcare standards. With a team of around 800 professionals, Riga First Hospital offers high-quality care supported by advanced technology and essential modern patient facilities.
In patient-centered healthcare, it's very important to improve our indoor climate. It helps us to reduce health and safety risks, and it is important that our clients, when they come for checkups, for rehabilitation, for consultations, that they don't fall ill. It's important for our short-term social care, which works 24/7, and where people with lower immunities. Our hospital consists of 23 blocks, and so far Aranet sensors have been installed in 5 of them. It's mainly doctors' offices, vaccination cabinets, pool and swimming areas, and also treatment rooms.
In total, 100 Aranet sensors and 3 base stations were installed. Sensors are placed in most rooms of the rehabilitation clinic to facilitate effective monitoring.
With having these measurements, we can provide better patient safety because we can follow up on the temperature, the CO2 levels, and relative humidity, which helps us faster react on changes. We can prevent, for example, respiratory disease spreading in the hospital or in the wards. We can help prevent mold if there is some kind of a drop in the norm. We can adapt to the situation better than we could before we had these sensors, because they show us straight from the source. We know where to go, we know what to do. Data is accessible 24/7 online, so everybody who works in a technical department, also head nurses of the wards, they are able to access data and also react accordingly to the situation. The many eye principle helps us follow up on the situation, and it means that the alarm will not go unnoticed.
Measurements not only help adjust the ventilation system to enhance patients' well-being, but also assist in tracking daily habits and reducing costs.
Implementation of temperature monitoring has been a teamwork in this hospital. We have involved also our employees, asked them to change their habits of switching off lighting, of decreasing temperatures, and with these new habits we have decreased our energy consumption by 15%. Monitoring temperature and air quality has enabled us to improve safety of our patients and our employees. Imagine, since last year, the number of sick leave days for our employees has decreased by 27%. And this lets us to make us more cost efficient, and also it helps us to achieve our environmental targets. Overall, we feel that this investment has been successful because it has helped us to make our monitoring system more effective, and has helped us in our overall target of reducing heating costs and improving indoor climate in our hospital.
As the list of our horticulture sensors keeps growing, we focus on helping our customers to select right sensors for their needs and applications. To facilitate that, we have recently come up with new horticultural packages. Currently, we have 6 different packages. Each one comes with a base station, different set of sensors, and 6 months cloud subscription. They all are pre-configured and ready to use out of the box. Let us know if you are interested in such packages for different applications. We all know that irrigation is vital for horticulture. Collecting precise data is essential. So this year we have come up with several new irrigation monitoring sensors. Eric will tell you more.
Okay, thank you, Toms. I'm happy to introduce 3 new products in our irrigation monitoring portfolio. First of all, this product here, which is a substrate slab weight sensor in combination with a drain volume sensor on the side. You can see here. We're also introducing an EC and pH sensor system that you can see here. And the last thing is, in addition, a bigger drain volume box for bigger drain volumes that also has the functionality that it can hold the 2 probes, EC and pH sensor. And these 3 solutions perfectly combine with the WET 150 sensor that we already have in our portfolio that is measuring volumetric water content, temperature and EC of the slab as you see it. By weighing the substrate slab and at the same time measuring the drain volume, you can monitor your irrigation cycle and make adjustments accordingly. Measuring EC and pH is essential in good irrigation monitoring. But what's often the case if you order these products, that it comes with a lot of components that are really complicated to install like this, and that's quite a hassle. So to avoid that, we have created for you another product where all these components are already pre-installed in this system. You can see the values on the monitor, EC and pH. Effectively, the probes are already pre-installed to the box, and the only thing you need is just find an electricity socket, and that's it. So as I just explained, the measurement of EC and pH in drain water is essential. EC gives a very good indication of the amount of nutrients still in the drain water, and of course the pH can give an indication of the easiness of uptake of the nutrients for a next irrigation gift. At the same time, we have created this box which allows for larger drain volumes in case you would need a larger test set, but at the same time it allows for a placement of the probes in a very easy way. Just like any other sensor in the Aranet portfolio, the information coming out of this system, so the weight of the substrate, the volume of the drain, as well as the EC and pH values, will be sent wirelessly to the base station of Aranet that you can see here, and from there to the Aranet Cloud where you can do the monitoring and analyzing. On top of it, from there you can send that information over API to the platform of your choice for further analysis. And on top of it, it is possible to make a direct connection with your irrigation system to automatically steer on the values that are coming out of this Aranet irrigation monitoring system. So thank you for listening, and back to you, Toms.
Thank you for joining our product news update. For more information, go to aranet.com and our social media accounts. See you soon.